G'day folks, welcome to your Friday OCC Queensland weather app. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe accredited shed. Alrighty, we've got plenty of rainfall up there in the far northern parts of Cape York Peninsula associated with the trough system extending out into the Coral Sea. You can see lots of deep convection out there. Beautiful stuff. The rest of Queensland drying out now under a southerly airflow pattern, and we have quite a few showers just off the southeast Queensland coast and quite a few showers coming into the northeast New South Wales coast. Just on the edge of your screen is a low pressure system, an east coast low that developed near Fraser Island yesterday, tracking very quickly out there towards the east. Through today, we're going to continue to see some very heavy rainfall up there in the northern Cape, extending more towards the eastern Cape as the afternoon progresses. Isolated showers coming onto the southeast Queensland coastline, northeast New South Wales coastline, maybe an isolated shower also through the southeast interior through the afternoon. Notice there could be some very weak convection down here around the southern inland or southwestern parts of the state. Not too much in that for now. As we progress into the evening and nighttime hours, you'll notice that the Cape area starts to clear. All that rainfall pushes east into the Coral Sea. We continue to see the southerly flow bringing in quite a bit of shower activity just off the coast, but that might start to nudge the coastline overnight early in the morning. And then notice that even around northeast and central east Queensland tomorrow morning, we start to see just the development of very isolated shower activity. Tomorrow we are expecting to see the Cape clearing, and we're expecting to see some more significant convection and thunderstorm activity across western parts of Queensland, maybe even some isolated stuff around the Gulf. And as I mentioned, just a slight increase in shower activity. They'll still be very isolated around northeast, central east and southeast Queensland. Rainfall between now and when we speak again tomorrow, we can see significant rainfall up here in the Cape, pushing more towards the Coral Sea though as the day progresses, and particularly into tonight, clearing into the Coral Sea. Isolated showers will develop overnight tonight across much of eastern parts of Queensland, only on those exposed coastlines to the southeasterly flow. And just be aware we could start to see some isolated convection from overnight tonight, early tomorrow across southwestern Queensland. Winds will remain strong and gusty across much of eastern Queensland today, and then continue strong and gusty across much of eastern Queensland tomorrow. In fact, we'll probably see winds increasing across central eastern Queensland temporarily tomorrow as that low pushes away and that pressure gradient squeezing force extends northwards. So not a fun time to be out on the water through most coastal waters in eastern Queensland over Friday or Saturday. And even Sunday doesn't look all that crash hot either. Still quite cool today, just not as drizzly and cloudy today across the state, but still pretty cool across southeast Queensland. Starting to warm up across western Queensland, and just that warmth just starting to spread eastwards a touch today as well. But overall, the other place that's quite cool today is the Northern Cape. They're getting less than 30-degree maximums across this Northern Cape York Peninsula. You'll take that any day of the week on a December day, that's for sure. And it will start to warm up a little bit tomorrow across that region. Just a reminder, if you'd like to support our work and look a lot further ahead, in fact this afternoon we're looking at the month ahead, join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au and choose your subscription option from the list there. Thank you for watching, we'll talk again in the morning.